Hello students. Reproduction in lower and higher animals. This is the second chapter of 12th science. So, in this chapter we have to study reproduction in that lower and higher animals. You know that animals are unicellular as well as multicellular. Those who are made up of a single cell, they are called as the unicellular, and those who are made up of a number of cells, they are called as the multicellular. So in the body of an unicellular organism, single cell is present. In the multicellular organism, number of cells are present. So in that organism, that lowers means those who are primitive. In that primitive organism, what type of reproduction is present? In the higher organism, what type of reproduction is present? In that lower organisms means which? Those who are primitive, just like the amoeba, paramecium, euglena, these are the primitive organisms, they are called as the lower. And higher means those who are highly evolved, just like the human being. So we are the highly evolved. In a animal, that may be unicellular, that may be a multicellular, there are different type of life processes that one is occurring in the body. So what are the different type of life processes that one is occurred in the body of an animal? For example, in a multicellular animal, see here, suppose that is respiration. Then another one is nutrition. Then here is the excretion. Then another one is reproduction. So likewise, these are the processes. That one is the life processes. That life processes are occurred in a body of a multicellular organism. So why that processes are called as the life processes? Because that processes are required for the survival of life. Means without that process, that living organism cannot survive. For that purpose, one can say that is the life process. So the processes which are required for the survival of life, that processes are called as the life processes. And here is the suppose respiration. Respiration is the process. For example, if we cannot respire, then what happened? There will be the death. Then that nutrition, if we cannot eat the food for a longer period of time, then what happened? There will be the death. So just like that, here reproduction is also one of the important life process. That animals, that may be the lower animal, that may be the higher animal, any type of animal that can reproduce. And just like that respiration, you remember, huh? What is that? If one cannot respire, then what happened? There will be the death. If there is no reproduction, then there will be the death. No. Suppose for example there is one living organism. If that cannot reproduce, there is a no death of that particular animal. Even though that animals, each and every animal that reproduce. मला काय म्हणायचं लक्षात येते आपल्या? म्हणजे असं की जर समजा एखाद्या प्राण्याने रेस्पिरेशन केलं नाही तर तो मरतो. म्हणजे ही जगण्यासाठी आवश्यक प्रक्रिया आहे. तसं इथे समजा रिप्रोडक्शनचा विचार केला आपण, तर या रिप्रोडक्शन मध्ये जर एखाद्या प्राण्याने रिप्रोडक्शन केलं नाही तर तो मरतो का? तर त्याचं उत्तर आहे तो मरत नाही. मग जर तो मरत नाही तर रिप्रोडक्शन कशासाठी करायचं? व्हॉट इज द नेसेसिटी ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन? द नेसेसिटी ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज टू कंटिन्यू द रेस ऑफ स्पेसीज. To continue the race of species. What is that continue the race of species? Means जाती सातत्य टिकविणे. You know that very well. Each and every living organism, that one is having a specific lifespan. After that, there will be the death. So see here, suppose for example, we are taking the example of human being. What is the average life of human being? That is the, one can say 80 years. Then after that, there will be the death. Even though we are observing the human beings. Why? That is because of the reproduction. So here, that process, it is very essential to continue the race of species. Not only that, but to maintain the number of individual in a species. To maintain the number of individual in a species. See here, suppose we are taking the one example. This is an amoeba. That amoeba is having a specific lifespan. But before the death of that amoeba reproduces. So here, amoeba, that one is reproducing. And now here, in the form of that daughter cell, that amoeba is live. So here, that continuation of species, that is because of the reproduction. So that is because of the reproduction. So one can say, what is meant by a reproduction? See here, that a reproduction is the process in which there is a formation of new offspring of the same kind. So what is that respiration? One can say the reproduction. Reproduction is the process in which there is a formation of new offspring from the pre-existing form. Okay, see here. Suppose that is a human being. That is a married couple. One is female and one is male. So here is the female, that is mother, and here is the male, that one is a father. So here that one is having a specific lifespan. After that there will be the death. But before the death, they reproduce and they produces the offspring. So here that offspring is formed. In the form of offspring, they become live. So here that offsprings are formed, but that offsprings are of same kind. Here is the word same kind. And here that one is a pre-existing one. Pre-existing forms. So this one is pre-existing form. And from that pre-existing form, that same kind of offsprings, that one is here formed. So that is nothing but the reproduction. It is very simple. Without that forms, it is here, suppose that is pre-existing. हे पूर्वी अस्तित्वात असलेले pre-existing. Existing म्हणजे अस्तित्वात असणे, प्री म्हणजे अगोदर, म्हणजे अगोदर अस्तित्वात असलेल्या फॉर्म पासून हे तयार होतात. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण आपलं उदाहरण घेतलं. समजा आपण आहोत, आपण एकदम अचानक पडलो का? नाही. तर आपल्याला पाठीमागे कोण आहे? तर आपले पॅरेंट्स आहेत, म्हणजे मदर आणि फादर आहेत. त्याच्या पाठीमागे गेलो तर आपले जे मदर फादर आहेत त्यांना परत त्यांचे मदर फादर आहेत. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा होतो की इथे कोणीतरी प्री एक्झिस्टिंग आहे आणि त्याच्यापासून हे फॉर्म्स तयार होतात. पण हे होत असताना कसे होतात? हे आयडेंटिकल होतात. म्हणजे अमिबाचं रिप्रोडक्शन झालं तर अमिबाच तयार होणार, पॅरामेशियमचं रिप्रोडक्शन झालं तर पॅरामेशियमच तयार होणार, ह्युमन बिंगचं रिप्रोडक्शन झालं तर ह्युमन बिंग्स तयार होणार. समजा फॉर एक्झाम्पल डॉग प्रोड्युसेस द पपीज, म्हणजे कुत्र्यांना कुत्र्याची पिलं होतात, माणसांना लेकरं होतात, मांजराला मांजराची पिलं होतात. म्हणजे ज्याला त्याला ज्याचे त्याचे, याचा अर्थ होतो सेम काइंड. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट रिप्रोडक्शन? Reproduction is the biological process in which there is a formation of new offspring of the same kind from the pre-existing one, pre-existing लाईफ. वन कॅन से प्री एक्झिस्टिंग फॉर्म. हे जे इथे लाईफ तयार झालेलं आहे, हा जे ऑफस्प्रिंग तयार झालेलं आहे, हे लाईफ याचा अर्थ होतो जीवन. इथे जीवन आहे, हा ऑर्गॅनिझम आहे म्हणजे त्याला जीवन आहे. आणि हे कुणापासून निर्माण झालेलं, तर या प्री एक्झिस्टिंग फॉर्म पासून. तर याला आपल्याला काय सांगता येतं, रिप्रोडक्शन. सो रिप्रोडक्शनची व्याख्या लक्षात आली आपल्याला. Reproduction is the process in which there is a formation of a new offspring of the same kind from the pre-existing life. सुरुवातीला अस्तित्वात असलेल्या. आता ह्या रिप्रोडक्शनची गरज काय, आपण सांगितलं, म्हणजे देयर इज अ नेसेसिटी ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. व्हॉट फॉर, दॅट वन इज फॉर द कंटिन्युएशन ऑफ द रेस ऑफ स्पेसीज अँड अनदर वन इज ए टू मेंटेन द नंबर ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स in a population. So that is the definition of reproduction.